Welcome to Grammar with Lily. In the last 2 lessons, I taught you the basic rules for comparative adjectives. 1-syllable adjectives add er to the end to mean more. I am older than my brother. Adjectives with 3 or more syllables use the word more before the adjective. Thomas was more confident than his sister. But what about 2-syllable adjectives? Well, most of them also use the word more like a long adjective. Mark is more spoiled than John. Susan is more mature than Lucy. But if a 2-syllable adjective ends with y, it acts like a short adjective, and we add er to the end. Mark is lonelier than John. Lucy is happier than Susan. Wait, where is the y? I don't see a y on these adjectives. All right, when we add ed or ing or er to the end of a word that ends in y, the y was acting like a vowel, happy, lonely. So we change the y to a real vowel, I, before we add the ending. I explained that in this video. That video reminds me there is another spelling rule for short adjectives if they end with consonant, vowel, consonant. What do you think happens when I make big or hot comparative? Yes, you guessed it. I double the final consonant before adding er. And of course, we have a few irregular comparative adjectives in English. Here are 2 very strange ones. The comparative of good is better, yes. And the comparative of bad is worse. Very good. So worse means more bad. We have a few other irregular comparative adjectives, but it's a smaller irregularity. Remember, 2-syllable adjectives that do not end with y are like a long adjective. We put more. But look at these. Simple and quiet, they both have 2 syllables, but they still use er, not more. They're like a short adjective. And then 2-syllable adjectives that end with y usually need an er, not more. But look at this. Likely fits the rule for er, but instead it uses the word more. Finally, one more. The adjective fun is definitely short. It's just 3 letters, 1 syllable. So it should get an er, right? Maybe double the n first, funner? But no. The short adjective fun also gets the word more. Why? I don't know. But I think it helps us to not confuse fun and funny. These 2 words are already very similar. Do you know the difference between fun and funny? Fun means you have a good time. For some people, playing football is fun. But funny means it makes you laugh. Makes you laugh. For some people, the TV series Friends is funny. Thankfully, funny follows the normal rules for comparatives. So, does funny get an er or more? Did you get the right answer? Good job.